almost friend no say they are talking about problems in Africa. 87.9 input. And I'm narrow down to Ghana. Ghana, there any problem. I can't speak much about Africa, but Ghana, there we have only one problem. Apart from that, almost say, what could the problem be? And I'm saying, what problem do you think Ghana is having that you are disagreeing with me? What's it Ghana and Ukraine? A man yam kro munye dwane wa Ghana was who pie na o cha ya ngo se kan ya e be repeal asema broni ne ka kire me se Ghana e koso ha no and a host of others couple kunkum omo poison omo ne ade and I'm saying none of these things is a problem nema okay mu ba kokra no a problem
okay
ni na your causes your problem ya ba ko pay as a country and that is leadership.
I see.
That is leadership. That is the only problem. Ghana is the only salt producing country in West Africa, the whole West Africa. Or maybe any whole produces salt is selling commercial quantity. And Chine.
Yeah.
What I say? What the actually BIOB? Singapore, yeah, human resource spend or more. Meaning Singapore for intelligent change. You go Lee Kuan Yew, about Ghana. That's what we see in Yansa Kwame Nkrumah time. Our bio is Greek and Latin. High fee, we have gold, but high fee. Well, we have the human resource, we have fertile land. Israeli be more parliament. Israeli be by home. Also, bet me the enclave assassin. No, duane feed West Africa, and I loved. Oh my bono, oh my sefi, oh my sante, and crying. And it means that you're wadi.
Yeah.
And then what the actually be an enemy. You was on my way in there, but what do we do? You produce no in raw, gold raw, oil raw, and refine BBR raw. It means the problem is leadership. The problem, and then I make catch and for say, Mijina Impina make catch and for say, what be a jad no for Modrin say, a quina muhia. You are missing the point. You don't need roads. You're quite your power, but we don't need roads. And maybe near my bar, it's not employment we need. You need so, and so you're here, electricity, and do baby, but any electricity here. You hear right leadership. Because right leadership, the leadership was created to solve problems. And the answer will be find who say, I want to lead. Nobody say, what are the problems confronting these people? Now we're listed at go on the problem. Nobody say, no one say, leadership here the ability to. Now me person leading to know. Do I have what it takes to solve these problems? Me wo academia me ka how aman ahodo na egu ho no amana solve ya na. If the answer is yes, then he offers himself. Enti ye hia kwan ye hia ensuo ye hia juma ye hia right leadership. Right leadership ne ba obe solve all these problems amaye. Enti John Dramani Mahama amamu obebu ye no. He didn't come to solve problems.
Okay.
He came to create, loot and share. Don't forget. Mama ye and go for on the clock can say or say quick short day.
Your short memory.
Your short memory. Mama and go for your short memory. They came to create, loot and share. At the end of the day, omo free Obia who said the state of Ghana tie. Na ebe me ya abema reho. Especially some of us are propagating, you're calling for revival for our country, holistic revival. And you're partisan idea, holistically, and you're person revive Ghana. Na Ghana, a free, a minimum war. Na you be na kuku so no. Na obi be na kasa wa fi John Dramani Mahama.
I see.
Singapore leader no. Ya na me refi ni din kakra. Was Ghana a problem here MPH.
Okay.
Was Ghana can Enyeli Kwan back mepe di dinama. Or say your problem here MPH. Or say Ghana can be the greatest country on the surface of the earth because of where we are placed and what we have. But no meritocracy. Or say the Sefatano Ghana form for man da. On the research no Ghana form mad the Sefatano da. Meritocracy enye juma wa pini pragmatism. Yes see ayenyo. Obi a weki kem say President Mahama kan no edu abato so a obi akogina e trone yi na na de fra say the ebe we ne sa na nyina ye no e sickening obi otimi make such a statement o say me ma fe no me fe na I just I don't understand leadership. I just say me a joker when it comes to issues of national interest. I'm just joking around it. I'm not a serious minded person. And HNA honesty, our people are not honest. And we can't hold them accountable to who asha so much. My begina hey, obi anim say my background MPP, but me metna ha e ma can kabi MPP mo me so I won't do that. Yet I can say yes beba wa otie wa na utu yefo.
Sure.
I say you make sure say ya brabo na be say yes ba yakobi. Nti